Hi, in this video we are going to learn important Rust interview question of references. That is very important, that will ask in every interview questions. So this is just a basic, but it's a most important things of Rust. So we will start from explain references. Okay. So a reference allow a function a variable to access data without taking ownership. Okay. Rust provide immutable references using ANT, which allow read-only access, and mutable references using ANMUT, which allow modification of the data. Okay. Multiple immutable reference can exist simultaneously because reading is safe, over where only one mutable reference is allowed at a time to prevent data races and inconsistent state. References are widely used in Rust backend application because they avoid unnecessary data copies while maintaining memory safety. Follow-up question is that what is the difference between anti and ANMUT? Anti provide read-only access and allow multiple references. ANMUT provide read-write access but only one mutable reference at a time. Why are multiple immutable references allowed? Reading does not change the data, so multiple readers are safe and cannot cause the inconsistencies. Why is only one mutable reference allowed? To prevent the data races, only ensure only piece of code can modify the data at given time. Can an immutable reference become mutable? No. Whether a reference is mutable, yeah, immutable is determined when it is created. Okay. Why are reference faster than cloning? References only pass pointer to existing data, while cloning creates a new allocation and copies the data, which is more expensive. What happens if you dereference a reference? Using the star operator accesses the value that the reference point to. Are references, I think this is strong. What happens if you dereference a references? Using the star operator accesses the value that the reference point to. So I think this definition is strong. It just denoting the dereference using the star. We can do the dereference using star. So I think here should more data present. What happen if the dereference is a reference? What happen? They are asking kya hoga. Using the star operator access the value that reference point to. Okay, to prevent to do the dereferences, so we have to use this star and the variable name, yeah, passing any function, any argument, yeah, params, then we have to use this to dereference. Okay, are references stored on the stack a heap? The reference itself is stored on the stack. It point to data that may be on the either stack or heap. What is dereferencing? Dereferencing means accessing the value behind a reference using a star operator. Yes, here is that. You know, also accessing the value behind a reference using this. Yes, that is good. How are reference different from raw pointers? Reference are checked by the borrow checker and always valid in safe Rust. Raw pointer are not checked and require unsafe code. Why are references important in backend development? They allow large request object, database models, and configuration data to be shared efficiently without unnecessary memory allocation or copying, improving performance. So I hope this video gives you some information related to this interview questions. If you like this video, just hit the like button. We will soon give the next video on this one, the mutable borrowing and the immutable borrowing in Rust. So if you are on my channel new, then subscribe my channel. So we will meet in another video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.